Welcome to this tutorial for RYTR. It's an AI writing app. And you see here, I'm kind of scrolling here, they have different templates you can use for the various purposes. So we're going to do a blog post. So I just kind of want to scroll through here, and we have a blog section writing. So let's try this one here. I came up with a little outline, so it's going to be on 21st century learning skills. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to now paste this in. I've got it on a notepad. Yeah, see, what are 21st century learning skills? And then I'm going to paste in some keywords and see how this comes out. The first one is critical thinking, and then I'm going to put in creativity. The next one is collaboration. And the last one is communication. Took me a while there to do the cut and paste. So there you have it. You scroll down and you click on Write for Me. And the AI starts taking over. And in a little bit, you'll start seeing on the bottom there, start seeing the beginnings of the document there. So it added some things there. Now I have a few bullet points that I'm gonna, or subheadings I'm gonna put in there and try to generate some paragraphs. So let's see how this goes here. It's kind of a neat feature there once you paste it in. I'm doing this kind of blindly, so let's see how this works. Just bear with me. I'm learning this as I'm going along. So I'll paste our first header there. Now if you highlight it and you hit paragraph, and then what it's going to do is it's going to generate a paragraph based on what you've just selected. So there we've got some things there. I'm going to have to go through this later on. I just didn't want to do a short video just to show how the process works. I don't know how good this stuff is. So let's add our next heading or subheading. So creativity is equally important as a means of adaptation. Now this is going to be kind of weird because it really focused on the adaptation part and it went into a bunch of garbage about Darwin. Not something that I was looking for. So I'm going to see if I can redo this and see what happens. So I'm just going to click on this again. I don't think it has I saw one feature there that it had where it would actually, so I'm changing this to solving problems. Get rid of the adaptation, so get rid of the Darwin thing. Now let's try and do this and redo the paragraph. Oh, that one just did grammar. So I thought I was going to redo it. So you have to redo the paragraph. So let's see how this goes. But, oh, look at it kept a natural selection. So I'm just going to grab that and I'm going to delete that. Okay, so now we're back on track. So here we go, and I think our next one we got another sub 2 heading. Paste it in there. Collaboration means getting people to work together. Let's do a paragraph. Let's see how it generates it. It's generating it in real time, so it's pretty close there. So they had some good things there. I guess an efficient way for people to work. I'll have to finish that. I'm going to start bolding these. These are the second titles, or the H2, I guess you can call them H2 title headings. I'll just bold those up. Keep on track here. Okay. And I'll finish the sentence here. I think I'm going to finish it. Let me see here. There we go. Efficient way for people to work together. Okay, now on the next subheading, we've got creativity, collaboration, and now I think it's communication. Is the glue that brings all the education qualities together. So I think I'm going to have to finish that sentence off later. So now I can put the title up here for the document. And it's what are the 21st century learning skills? So there we got it. And now we want to find a way to export it. I had to hunt and peck a little bit. It's always good to look at those, look at the 3 dots. So I finally figured this out. If you go to the 3 dots there and download a Word file. So I'll do that. And I saved it. And there you have the document there. And so there you have it. Just the first time using RYTR.me as the AI assisting writing tool.